one was? Did you find out what the grunt was? No.
Which one?
The grunt.
The grunt. No. Show me the grunt. Find out what the grunt was about. That's the fourth ending. You run into a T-Rex and die. It's just your dog, Daisy. Good. Josh, well done.
Yes.
Those are cool. Hey, when we share these on to the rest of the kids in school, that's going to be neat. They're going to be able to pop through them. That's going to be a cool thing to do. Okay, Troy, share your screen. Okay, I think Josh has got to take his off, and Troy, you can share yours.
There we go. I don't see it. Hold on.
It's coming.
There.
The Wrath of Zeus. Oh yeah, this is the one I saw on Canvas.
Okay.
You did a ton of writing on this.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. You wake up and light pours into your room. It's 200 BC. Your name is Percy. You get up and put on your clothes. I can't see. You walk out the door and step onto the grounds of your city. Athens, I think, not yours, but you live in it. It's a wonderful day with a bright sun and a blue sky, and everything is great. Then the sky's rumors that it's happening. Apparently, the rumors are true. The mighty god Zeus is mad at something, but nobody knows what it is. You run over to your friend's house. You guys know about a secret path. Nobody else knows about it. Stay and leave the city you grew up in, or go to the
secret entrance. Yeah, I vote for the secret entrance. Go for it.
Okay, you guys run to the secret entrance, which is hidden deep in the mountains. You guys found it when you were lost 5 weeks ago. Once you got there, you said the secret password and went in. Right when you come in, you hear yelling. Zeus is definitely mad. You guys quietly sneak through the entrance up the stairs where you think the noise is coming from. As you're getting closer to the top, you hear the noise stop. You hear a voice say, "I smell mortals." Okay.
I smell mortals. That's good.
Oh no, you say. You start running down the stairs. You say the password and fly out the door. It's raining now. Zeus is getting angrier by the minute. We have to do this or our city will be destroyed. Sam, you look behind you and he's not there. He must have gotten caught, and that's why the god stopped. No, you cry. He's gone, and he's not coming back. Stay and finish the job.
Stay and finish the job. Okay. Yep, I go for that.
I have to stop this, you say. You run back into the entrance of Olympus, and there's the god right there waiting for you. You can't look at your face, or you'll disintegrate. Before this is happening, you ask why Zeus is mad. He just got brother Poseidon in a battle, Apollo says. Well, can I talk to him, you say? Sure, it's not going to work anyway, they say. You start back up the stairs, and when you get to the top, there's Zeus. You walk in and he stands up. Percy, is that you? Yes, father, it is. You say, I need you to come down or our entire city will be destroyed. He stops and thinks. 15 minutes later, he finally says, fine, I'll stop. And then there's leave and go back to Athens, or stay with Zeus and talk to him.
Are we staying with Zeus?
Stay with Zeus.
Staying with Zeus? All right, we'll stay with Zeus.
Oh, wait, oops. Sorry.
Got a glitch?
Yeah.
Or is it just...
It won't let me press... Okay, there we go.
because there you go. There you go.
Alright, son, do you want to be immortal, Zeus asked? You think about it. You get to live forever. That would be awesome. Yes, that would be swell, you say. So Zeus made it happen. After 40 minutes, you come out and test if you're actually immortal. It's kind of dumb, but you do it anyway. You go out the secret entrance and hike to the top of the mountain. Once you get there, you jump off, and you actually survive. Yes, I'm immortal, you say. This is awesome. After you say thank you to your father, you go back to Athens, where everybody is safe and happy. The end.
Nice.
Okay, do you guys want to do... Friend. Yeah. You guys want... I don't know.
What's the other ending? Do one more ending.
So, if you were going to stay and leave the city you grew up in, you decide to leave and go create a new life wherever you guys are going. You and the rest of the people in the city start packing your things. The next day, everybody is supposed to leave. You're walking towards the exit. You were walking towards the exit Oh, I meant to put when. When you get a
Uh-huh.
weird feeling, like something bad is about to happen, but you just ignore it. Then it happens. A giant rock slide comes down and kills everyone in the city, including you. Okay, that's one ending. And say, hold up. And say you are going to go to. What is that?
You are 23-year-old Daniel Ryder. You just found out that your best friend, 22-year-old Mike Zussman, has been captured by the Germans and is being tortured. You set out on a rescue mission with your friends Jack Pearson and Ted Allo. You have to get across the Rhine River and trek through some dangerous woods in enemy territory to find them. Now you have to escape. You realize that Zussman's leg is broken. So you need Pearson's and Allo's help to carry Zussman to safety. You are spotted by the enemy. You can go into the woods or fight your way out. What do you choose?
Go into the wood. Hope they get eaten by a snake.
Well, it's a tie, so Mr. H, what do you choose?
I'm gonna go into the woods.
Yes.
No. You made it into the woods. You escaped into the woods. The enemy is firing mortars at you, so you have to keep running. You trip over a tree during your escape and break your ankle. You save your team from getting captured. Allo decides to distract the enemy to give you a chance to get away. You were able to get away, but Allo gets caught and it takes a couple of weeks, but you eventually make it out of enemy territory and are treated for your wounds. Now let's do the fighting.
They have a broken leg. They're not gonna be able to.
Hey Ben, that is way better than the first one you sent me.
I can't click to next slide because if we chose to go into the fight, it'd take you to slide 5, so I'm just gonna click this.
Yeah.
Because it takes you to slide 5.
Okay. Up here we go. I think I got Lily at the door.
What the heck?
What happened?
So, I didn't write this, but it says that your team why does it say that? Ow. You teamed Justin. Your team. Okay, that's weird. I don't know why it says that. You and Justin are back to more. This time you're at Hill 439. Pearson and the other troops aren't there yet. What do you do? Wait for Pearson or keep going? Keep going.
Keep going.
Wait for Pearson.
Keep going. Captured Hill 439. You fought through the enemy forces and captured the hill.
You might want to put a paragraph on that one.
I will.
Yeah.
Thank you for participating.
Not bad. I like your slide transitions.
I could only do a couple of them because when you go to click on the things, you can only do the ones that go from certain slides.
Right.
So the top and bottom picture are the Rhine, and then the middle picture is actually Hill 439.
Well, that's cool. Well done. You did the historical fiction part too. That's awesome. Where'd Alexis go? I thought she'd share hers.
Okay, I can do the other parts now if you guys want me to.
Is anybody else having chili?
I don't know.
I had
Okay,
chili
so here's
last
the
night.
other parts. So, fight your battle. You did make it. Allo, Pearson, and Zussman made it, but you got pinned down by enemy fire from their bunkers. And then this just takes you to slide 5.
Cool.
And then wait for Pearson. While waiting on Pearson, you got overrun by the enemy, so you retreated.
Nice. Just got to add some. Maybe each of those, if you can get a small paragraph on it. Oh, is that Lily right there? Nope. Lily said she's coming, and then she said she was down here, and nobody was down here.
Wait, are you in the lunchroom?
I'm down in front of school. This is what. If you guys haven't been here yet, this is what it looks like. We have all the kids' stuff sitting down here.
I can't even see.
Can you see all the
Okay,
kids?
now I can see, because I was in the chair. But yeah.
And then people are outside. Like no one's allowed inside. There's a couple people outside, and they hand out the lunches by the school bus.
Wait, what do you mean lunches?
People
Like,
who
lunch boxes?
people have the box lunches. They can come down and pick them up
Oh.
during the day. And
I'm
then
just eating fish and crackers. Easiest thing to ever make.
and here's if you're gonna tap birch trees, I have the spiles here. So you just come by and say you need a birch tap tree spile from 6th grade, and they come down and grab one out of the bag. Deegan, did you figure yours out? Can you get it up? No. Let's see if I can get it up. I might be able to get it up here.
Yeah, he's unmuted. But his audio still isn't working.
Okay, I got it. I got Deegan's. Deegan, let's show the other one that's there. I'll share my screen.
Mr. H,
Yep.
if you email me the picture that you took, right, of me taking a sip of my soda while listening, I could probably put it on there for you.
Okay. There's like it's a 1 hour of movie, so I'll have to zoom down through it and take a look where I can find it. Okay, Deegan, we didn't do stay with your family. We're gonna go buy the Switch. We didn't do that route.
Yeah, we already did that. We need to stay with your family.
Oh. Okay, let's go back.
You gotta go back. We shall recreate the image.
Go back.
There we go. We didn't do. I thought we went. Okay, we're doing stay with your family. Oh yeah, we didn't see this one. You stay with your family and buy clothes. You pick out shirts, and
Tell your
then
parents.
you see a strange man.
Ignore him.
You two don't interact, but you are highly suspicious because you believe he is a criminal. What do? Are we going to tell your parents or ignore?
Tell your parents. That man's shady. He looks like Barney.
Okay, we're going to tell. I like this character. You run back to your family. The man chased you, but seeing your family, he smiles and says, "Oh, sorry. Your kid was over by the video section, so I tried to get him back to you." Then he kneels down and whispers, "This isn't over." I like your font like that. He then walks away, leaving you and your family the clothes that you bought. Was there a choice on this one?
Then we gotta choose the other option.
The other option? Okay.
Just go back.
Which one was it? It was this one, right? No.
Yeah, that clothes rack. Clothes rack.
It's the clothes rack one.
Close rack.
And then go.
Ignore him. Then go ignore him.
And we did ignore.
Mr. H, we shall recreate the
You
image.
soon realizes he was a killer and your 6 friends aren't with you anymore, so you visit their graves. Is that the same ending as the other one?
Go back one. Go back one.
Yeah, I think it didn't load.
Now you have to. Now back one more. Sorry.
Back one more.
Oh, yeah.
Again.
Did you... Where did you find... You made this, didn't you?
Is he eating grass?
Tell your parents who called the cops leaving the store when you see the man with handcuffs and gloves, the police officer in his car. He thanks you and gives a small medal for keeping any more kids from being hurt. You were thanked all around the town. You were happy for the first time in a long time. Congrats.
Is he throwing up or eating grass?
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Yeah, what is he doing? Throwing up.
He's throwing up?
Yeah. Yes.
Very large body. He's like an alien or something.
So did you, Deegan, did you make all those drawings and then copy and paste them in? No. You found those as clip art? You found them all as clip art?
That's a Five Nights at Freddy character.
That's pretty creative.
Copy and paste. Both of those characters were from Five Nights at Freddy's, the little kid and the apparently murderer.
Yeah.
They're both characters from Five Nights at Freddy's. Yes, they're in my book.
I'm going to go back to the room. It sounds like Lily just texted, her mom just texted and said they went to K Beach and they're going to come back. I can go back to the room.
Oh, hello.
There's our hallway. Quietest it's ever been.
Mr. H, you should show us the water fountain. That looks really cool with an empty hallway. Yay! Empty water fountain for once. Nobody's there.
Single file. Hands to yourself.
Mr.